Hey guys, Jay here from Vision Miner, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to load the filament on your 22 IDEX. Now, there's a couple ways you can do this. I'm going to show you my way, and then I'll show you the other way that you can do it. Now, I have the machine powered on, ready to go. I'll be loading the 3DX Tech carbon fiber nylon in this machine. So I'll go ahead and pump up the extruder. Now, this filament will go for about 270 C. So we'll take that and then we'll wait for the extruder to heat up. All right, let's put in this carbon fiber nylon Gen 3. You notice I'm gonna put the filament on the right-hand side, but I'm really loading the left-hand side. Now I go ahead and remove the fan here so you guys can see it much better. You don't have to remove the fan to load the filament. All right, I'm gonna load it this way instead. I don't wanna load it this way. Reason being is you don't want a filament to bend up and then break. So we wanna load this way, where it's natural. Okay, go in here and then feed the filament through the filament runout sensor up here. All right, let's remove this filament tubing. Press down on the keeper, pull out, feed the filament through, and then you want to unlock the extruder. So left to loosen, right to tighten. Okay, so we go left. And the way I like to do is just feed it all the way through. I'm going to go ahead and cut this filament at a 45-degree angle to help it through the extruder. Okay, and then just use your hand, feed it all the way through. Okay, there you go. Once you see the filament comes out the bottom, you're pretty much ready to go. There it is. All right, feed it through. Now what you want to do is lock the extruder. So one, do a couple. I think one is good, and then you want to fit this filament tubing back into the holder there. All right, at this point you want to shut off the temperature. You don't want the filament cooking in there. Okay, so turn it off, and that's pretty much it, ready to go. All right, now that I have the filament in there, the lever is locked, filament tubing is in there. I'm gonna go ahead and extrude the filament just a little bit. It's gonna be in dashboard here on the first page. Here's the amount in millimeter. I'm going to go ahead and do 100 millimeter, and then this speed. For the speed recommendation, we do 1 to 5 millimeter per second. You don't want to do 15 or 30 or any more than that. It might clog the machine. I'll go ahead and extrude that and watch the filament comes out. Yeah, it is beautiful. Awesome. That's done. Go ahead and shut off the heater, and the machine is ready. All right, guys, and now I'm going to show you how to unload the filament on your 22 IDEX. All right, go ahead and heat up your machine. Same thing, I have a Gen 3 in there, so I'm going to do 270 C. Wait for the temperature to reach. Almost there, it's 250. All right, I think we can do it now. All right, so down here, still the same thing. Instead of extruding, we're going to go retracts. Okay, retracts, and now you see the extruder gear is running. Okay, it's pulling the filament out. You can see the filament getting pulled out. That's it, and it's done. And that's how you unload the filament on the 22 IDEX. All right, so here's the other way you can load your filament on 22 IDEX. Okay, we don't really use this method, but you could do it. There is a load filament option on the left-hand side of this here. Go ahead and click on that. Now you can pick which filament you are loading. I'm loading nylon Gen 3, so it'll be this one here. Okay, now the machine is heating up. You want to load the filament in there. Go ahead and lock it to the right and place the filament tubing in there. Now that the temperature has been reached, it said the filament material will be extruded. Press OK to start extruding. Click that OK. Now you can see, now it's actually extruding there now. It's coming out of the bin, and it's coming out really fast. Okay, so when it's done loading, clean the nozzle, and it asks, should more filament be extruded? If you're good to go, click cancel. If you need more filament to be extruded, press OK. I'm going to go ahead and cancel. Boom, and that's how you load filament on the 22 IDEX. All right, guys, and now I'm going to show you how to unload the filament on your 22 IDEX. Really easy to do. Just go here on the left-hand side, said nylon there. Click on that. Since we already load the filament, now it's going to be either change the filament or unload the filament. Okay, we're going to go ahead and unload it. So click on that. and it's going to wait for the temperature to go up on the nozzle. Okay, and that's how you load and unload filament from your 22 IDEX. For more videos, please visit us at docs.visionminer.com. Thank you for watching.